Okay, quick Tesla turbine update. I've got the generator, the 5 kilowatt generator, which can do 10 kilowatts for 15 seconds. It's wired up to the bridge rectifier, 200 amp bridge rectifier, and I've just got it shorted out for the moment. I'm just going to spin it up, see what happens, and then I'll report back later. Okay, I'm going to turn it on.
Don't turn it on!